If you clicked on this video, you're probably wondering what I'm getting at with the title of this video. There is a difference between funnel hacking and just being a hack. So let's talk about that. Welcome to the BBE Social Media channel. My name is Blaine Bryant, Director of Marketing and Public Relations for BBE Social Media, and the creator of the Simplex OBA program that helps aspiring entrepreneurs create their own online business in just 30 days by simplifying online business architecture. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like below and consider subscribing to our channel and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss out on more videos like this one. So you may be wondering what the difference is between funnel hacking, as it's usually referred to, and what it is to be a hack. So where's this all coming from? I've had some conversations with other online business owners lately, and there seems to be a few of us out there that have been drawing attention to the fact that there's several aspiring entrepreneurs out there that are trying to get started and are trying to draw attention to their new business, but are all obviously following the exact same template to do it. Now, I have nothing against people looking for shortcuts to get their business going, and honestly, it can be a more efficient way to launch your business if you model it after something that's already working for somebody else. Now, the key word though is model. So if you're following a course right now that promises that your business will take off if you just follow their cut and paste marketing process, then you've flown right past trying to find a more efficient way to get started and landed right in the middle of being too lazy to be an entrepreneur at all. And if your mentor or coach isn't encouraging their students to do more than that, then you need to watch all of this video if you're serious about having a business at all. Because people on social media are catching on. Now, to begin explaining what this is all about, I'll say that there are several business coaches out there that are all selling similar programs and promising similar results. And I include myself in that mix as well. But if you've watched any of my previous videos, what differentiates me from all of the rest out there are my decades of business experience, my thorough teaching methods, and my personal interest in creating as many successful students with my program as I can. Now that brings me to the overall point I'm trying to make here. Following a program that offers to help you get started faster isn't a bad thing. A good program offers clear procedures, templates, tracking tools, and plenty of examples of how to apply those things to your particular business idea. The idea being you get handed a solid foundation upon which to build your business. Now, the intention here is that you'll take all of that information and begin creating a business that's unique to you. And it all begins with conducting your market research. Now, as part of your market research, you'll want to look at your competitors to see what they're doing with their marketing, their websites, and just as importantly, what they're doing that works and doesn't work for their customers. And then you create your own marketing, websites, and customer experience based on your research. Now, what it means to be a hack, though, is when one takes what they've learned about their competitors' marketing, websites, and customer experience, and instead of doing their own thing, just copies what they've found, sometimes word for word. Now, if you're wondering how often that kind of thing happens, I'll tell you that as recently as this morning, I saw another business owner in one of the Facebook groups that I'm in mentioned that one of his friends had just given him a heads up that someone had copied his 2 Comma Club winning funnel in its entirety. They didn't even bother changing the information in the About section on their website. It was still his face and his bio. It was a word for word, image for image, copy and paste hack job. And it wasn't one of his students that had done it either. Now, this is what a lot of serious business owners have been drawing more attention to recently on social media. If it seems like there's a lot of people out there making the exact same posts on social media, asking the same questions and using the same calls to action, then it's evidence that there's a lot of people out there following the same process with the same examples, but with the same lack of originality. Now, you've probably seen all these posts, the ones that say, "What's your biggest struggle with such and such a thing?" Or, "I'm on a mission, who's with me?" Posts like that, the silly question posts meant to drum up engagement. You know the ones. And it's that lack of originality that makes a difference between funnel hacking and just being a lazy hack. Now, those kind of post templates are fine as an example or a starting point, but you're meant to take them and come up with your own way of saying the same thing to get the engagement you're looking for, using your own words. Not just take it, copy and paste it, and then fill in the blank, which is what so many people seem to be doing. If you're not even trying to be innovative on a bare minimum level, then you're only setting yourself up to quickly become irrelevant before you even get going. What it comes down to is that if you keep trying to take the lazy route to success, you'll never get there, because success requires innovation and hard work. Funnel hacking is just a catchphrase that neatly describes conducting the proper market research to gather the information you need to develop your business idea. Being a hack is trying to copy and paste your way to the top. If you're serious about having a real online business, I'm happy to help you develop your business idea as part of our Simplex OBA program. We do teach our students how to create their own unique selling position and how to build a business that will not only help you succeed, but one that will be built to last with a rock-solid foundation. And that's what I mean when I say that we teach our students to become the architect first. The bottom line is that the Simplex OBA program is for serious entrepreneurs only. If you're trying to hack your way to the top, then it's not for you. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but we do teach you how to get your unique business up and running and making a profit in just 30 days. Now, if you're ready to have all of that in just 1 month, contact us right now. If you're just looking for a simple copy and paste method, then don't.